Hello everyone, so today we have 2 to the power of s plus s equals to 20. X is the unknown. We're going to solve together. Let's seek solution. We can rewrite our equation as 2 to the power of x equals to 20 minus x. To find s, we're going to employ Lambert W function. And he said, if a quantity in the front of an exponential is the same as a quantity at the head of exponential, what should become of it should be that same quantity. So our responsibility is to rearrange our equation so that the quantity at the front of the exponential is the same as the one at the head of the exponential. So to do this, we are first going to divide both sides by 2 to the power of x. That is, divide by 2 to the power of x all over 2 to the power of x. So 2 to the power of x will cancel out. What is left is 1 equals to 20 minus x all over 2 to the power of x. And again, 1 over a to the power of n is equals to a to the power of minus n. That means the next line becomes 1 equals to 20 minus x times 2 to the power of minus x. So we're going to multiply both sides by 2 to the power of 20. So our equation becomes 2 to the power of 20 times 1 equals to 20 minus x times 2 to the power of minus s times 2 to the power of 20. Thank you for staying tuned. I invite you to subscribe to our channel to promote us. Click on the like button so that more persons can have access to this video we are sharing. So let's continue. The next line becomes 2 to the power of 20 equals to 20 minus x times 2 to the power of 20 minus x. Here, the power and the base are the same, but we need to transform the 2 to an exponential. So why do we want to do that? Because we want to employ Lambert function. Since we have the power and the base the same, our responsibility is to transform the 2 to an exponential. Recall that s can be written as e to the power of ln x. So also 2 also can be written as 2 ln 2. So in the place of 2, we're going to write exponential ln 2. And the next line becomes 2 to the power of 20 equals to 20 minus x exponential ln 2 to the power of 20 minus x. So the power comes down to becomes 2 to the power of 20 equals to 20 minus x exponential 20 minus x ln 2, and we are fine. To make the quantity at the base the same as the quantity at the head of the exponential, the difference here is ln 2. So we're going to multiply both sides by ln 2. So the next line becomes 2 to the power of 20 times ln 2 equals to 20x exponential 20 minus x ln 2 times ln 2. 2 to the power of 20 times ln 2 is equals to 20 minus x ln 2 times exponential 20 minus x ln 2. We can split 20 into 16 plus 4. That is 2 to the power of 16 times 2 to the power of 4 times ln 2 is equals to 20 minus x ln 2 exponential 20 minus s ln 2. Again, we can write 2 as exponential ln 2 so that exponential ln 2 to the power of 16 times 2 to the power of 4 times ln 2 is equals to 20 minus x ln 2 exponential 20 minus x ln 2. 16 ln 2 times here exponential 16 ln 2 is equals to 20x ln 2 exponential 20x ln 2. To carry out W function on both quantity, we'll have W function of the 16 ln 2 exponential 16 ln 2 close the bracket equals to W function of 20 minus x ln 2 exponential 20 minus x ln 2. But W function of a exponential a is equals to a. So that here what we have is 16 ln 2 equals to 20 minus x ln 2. So that ln 2 can cancel out. What is left here is 16 equals to 20 minus x. So here we can have x to be equals to 20 minus 16. So the value of x is equals to 4. Thank you for staying tuned, and please don't forget to subscribe to the channel to promote us. Thank you. Bye bye.